kwamba sisi wa Kenya si wachinga. Wachana na mambo ya chama. Kama bado unataka upate ile benefits za serikali, ama tunasema hivi tutangaze kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais na serikali na atatukua bunge tutaleta mswada, hiyo pesa yake ambayo anapata kutoka serikali tutaondoa. 2027 hakuna mtu atatutisha. Daktari, we are assuring you Mheshimiwa Rais kwamba 5 yako iko mpaka umalize 10 bila break. Hii mambo ya siasa ingine ambayo tunasikia, hiyo tunawache kando.
Wacha nikuambie Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, wewe rais mstaafu, sikiza na usikize vizuri. If you behave yourself like a retired president, people will respect you. But if you misbehave at Mongungen, people will deal with you like it is supposed to be dealt with. Because there is no way a retired president can be doing the things you are doing and expect that the people of Kenya will respect you. The late President Moi, when he went in retire in 2002, he went to his farm in Kabarak and never bothered himself to do the kind of silly monkey games that you are doing today in the Republic of Kenya. When Kibaki went on retire, he respected the office that the people of Kenya had given him. He peacefully rested in his home until the day God took him home. What is so special about you that after 10 years of presidency, instead of relaxing and respecting yourself, you are here addressing people all over the country as if there is anything special that you did when you were president of Kenya? Each time you speak, you remind us of all your failures when you are in charge of this country. We remember all the things that you did. You came and promised us the big 4. You left office with big 0. None of those things was ever achieved. And you are here trying to give us a lecture. Wewe, sikia nikwambie bana. Ukikuja vibaya tutakuokota.